आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा. Students, you have to learn all the multiples, factors, composite, prime numbers, and you have to solve all the MCQs of exercise 2B and 2C. Now we will learn some question which we have to leave. They have to need to solve them. So now we will solve these questions. Here we have question number 5 of exercise 2B. In exercise 2B, question number 5, which is find the co-prime numbers. First of all, you have to learn what are co-prime. Student, co-primes are the number if the numbers have only one common factor, means 1. The number 1 is as their common factor, then the number will be co-prime. And if they have more than one common factor, means they have more common factor except one, they have including one, they have more common factors 3, 4, 5, they will not says to be co-prime numbers. Here we have our first question 3 and 5. When we find the factors of 3, we find they are 1 and 3, and when we find the factors of 5, we got they are 1 and 5. So in these two numbers we have only one common factor, that is number 1. So these two numbers are co-primes. Next we have 31 and 62. When we find their co-primes, we see in both numbers we have only one common factor, which is 1. So these numbers are also co-primes. In this way, you have to check how we find the co-primes. Students, now I have to tell you one more question in which we will find how the pairs are not co-primes. When we find the factors of 40, they are 1, 2, 2, 2 and 5. And when we find the factors of 4, they are 1, 2, 2. Here you can see we have more than one common factors, means 1, 2 and 2, 3 common factors. So these two numbers are not co-primes. Okay, hope you have to learn this exercise. So now you will solve your question number 5 of exercise 2B. And students, in exercise C, we have to solve the factors, how to find the factors that are included in question number 4 and 6. The questions are same, we have to find only the factors. You learn how to find out the factors. For example, here we have first number 24. Students, according to rule of divisibility, you will check which smallest number to you. You have the smallest number 2. So you will check this number can be divisible by 2 or not, because in ones place we have 4. So this number is divisible by 2. So you will divide with 2, 2 1 the 2 and 2 2 the 4. Again we have 2. So this number again divisible by 2, 2 6 the 12. Here we have 6, 6 is also divisible by 2, 2 3 the 6. Student, here we got our prime number, so it will be divisible by itself. 3 1 the 3. So here we got all of our factors. You will write them in sequence, that first you will write smaller number, then greater, and at last you will greatest number. So here we have 1, 2, 2, 2 and 3. So the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 2, 2 and 3. Next number I have here 35. Let's check it with the rules of divisibility of 2. Here we have 5, so this number will not divisible by 2, because we have to need 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 for the divisibility of 2. Now for 3, you will check them by adding them. 5 and 3, 8. 8 is not a multiple of 3, so this number will not divisible by 3. For 5, then the ones place number will be 0 or 5, then the number will be divisible by 5. So here we have 5, so this number will be divisible by 5. 5 7 the 35. 7 is the prime number, it will be divisible by itself. 7 1 the 7. Here we got our factors 1, 5 and 7. Student, we have to find the number of question number 6 to find their factors, and you will complete your question number 4 and 6. Both are same to find their factors. For 36, when you check the ones place number, it's 6. So it will be divisible by 2. 2 1 the 2, 1 remains, make it 16, 2 8 the 16. Here again we have 8. So it will again be divisible by 2. 2 9 the 18. You can see here we have 9. 9 is the multiple of 3. So 3 3 is the 9. And 3 is prime number. So it will be divisible by itself. 3 1s are 3. Here we write our factors of 36. You will write in series 1 2 2 3 3. I have right here 1 2 2 3 3. Hope students, you have to learn how to find out the factors, because you have learned the rules of divisibility in my previous lecture. Inshallah, we will meet in our next lecture with some more exercises. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.